Hi friends, how are you? I hope you people are doing good. Alright, so it's me Riya. I'm here to teach you coding. I have BTech degree in electrical and electronics engineering. Basically, I am a coding teacher. So today I'm going to teach you coding using a platform called Scratch MIT. So this course is basically for the students who are in first grade to fifth grade. Before moving to this session, let me tell you what is coding. Okay. So coding is nothing. In simple, we can tell coding means giving instructions to the computer. Just like your mama commands you. Yeah, your mama will ask you to do that, to do this, right? Just like that, we can also give instructions to the computer. Hey computer, do this, do that, like that. Actually, computer is a dumb machine. It will work basically based on our instructions. Okay, so we people have to give the instruction. So the people or the person who is giving instructions to the computer is called coder or programmer. So today you can also become an awesome coder, right? Are you ready, guys? Okay, so let's go move on to the session. Without wasting time, we can start the session. Okay. So to take Scratch, you have to go to the Google and search for Scratch MIT. Then you have to click on the first link over here, that is scratch.mit.edu, and you have to click the create button over here. Did you see a create button over here on the top? Yeah, if I click on it, it will take you to our Scratch platform. It is just loading. Yeah, you can close those videos. This is our amazing Scratch platform. Oh yeah, it's loading again. All right. Yeah. Did you see a cat over here? This is just like a cartoon character like Tom and Jerry, right? So yeah, in Scratch, we will call these types of cartoon characters called the sprite. Okay. If you want to delete the sprite, what you have to do is that, did you see a trash icon over here? So when you click on that trash icon, you can see, yeah, are you sure want to delete this sprite? Yes, I want to delete this sprite. Okay. Now, I want to add the sprite, right? I don't have any new sprite here. So I want to add the sprite. To add the sprite, you have to click on here. That is a cat headlight icon over there. So if I click on here, you can see the sprite library is opening. Here, I can scroll down and I can choose my favorite sprite. Okay. Now I'm going to choose this dog. Okay. When you are making by yourself, you can choose your favorite character. So I added the sprite. So we learned two things now. We will call these types of cartoon character as sprite. And we learned how to add a sprite, isn't it? How to add a sprite? You have to click on the cat headlight icon over here. All right. So now we can make the sprite. That is, I added a dog here. You can make the a dog to make run, jump, walk. Okay, we can do anything with this dog. You can also make this dog dance, anything, but the dog will do action only in this space. Okay, the white square shape area over there, it can't do actions on here, it can't do actions on here, it can't actions on here. The dog will do actions by based on our coding only in this particular area. Okay, so if you do, you like to dance or do you like to sing a song? Okay, think if you are a dancer, if you have a dance competition, where will you perform? Yeah, you will perform on stage, right? Just like that, the dog can do actions, jumping, walking, running, barking, anything only in this area. So we will call this area as stage itself. Okay. So we will call all these the square, white square shaped area. Now I marked with the red color. Is we will call that area as what? Yeah, the stage. Okay. If you look at any stage, it is decorated with lights and curtains. Am I correct? Yeah. If you want to make your stage decorative, we can also have backdrop. Okay. You can also add background for your project by using backdrop. Did you see a photo like icon over there? Yeah. So if I click on that, you can see just like that, just like our sprite library, to have backdrop library, right? So yeah, I'm going to add the backdrop which is suitable for the dog. Okay. For the dog, yeah, I am going to add this colorful city. To add the colorful city, I just need to click on there. See, you can see the dog got a colorful background, right? Now we can make the dog walk. As this is your very basic session, I'm going to teach you how to make any sprite to walk. So now the dog is still, isn't it? We can give life for that dog by doing coding. Here in Scratch, we are doing block-based coding. Okay, block-based coding means you just need to drag and drop blocks of code. You have lot of blocks over here. Yeah, so by using these blocks, we are doing coding today. Just like solving jigsaw-like puzzle, you just need to drag and drop blocks of code like this. Okay. Yeah, so let's start coding. So whenever you start to do any project, whenever you start to make any project, we will start with these yellow color blocks. Okay, did you see yellow color block over here? Yeah, when I click on there, you can see a lot of yellow color blocks are coming. I'm going to take this green flag. Okay, when green flag click, did you see any other green flag other than these? Yeah, did you see any other green flag other than this and this? Please find it. Yes, a green flag is over there, right? Did you see? Yeah, so this block means when you click on the green flag over here, our code will start to run, okay? Our project will start to work. So to make it work, what I have to do is that now I want to make it move, right? So to make the dog move, so movement is related to motion, right? Moving, I mean walking, jumping, turning, everything is related to movement. So anything which is related to movement will, if you need any blocks related to movement, you can just click on this blue color block, okay? The motion block. There you have move 10 step. Did you see the move 10 step? Yeah. So what you have to do is that you have to drag the block and drop it over here. Okay. Quite simple, right? Yeah. So now I place move 10 step, right? So let's see whether it is working or not. Yeah. For that, where I have to click, now it is not working. So where I have to click to make it work? Yeah, you are right. I have to click on the green flag. So the green flag means start the program. Okay. Just like, yeah, in your mobile games, you will play the games only after clicking on the start button, right? The green flag is also just like that. When you click on the start button, when you click on the green flag, our project will start to work. Okay. Let's click on the green flag. So here we go. Yeah, what happened now? Yeah, the dog starts move, but it is moving only for one time, right? When I click on the green flag, it is moving, isn't it? But I want the dog to move continuously again and again and again forever. See how to do that. For that, I am going to control the orange color block over here. Okay. So when I am going to control block and I'm going to take this forever block. So this block meaning if you put forever block, it will do the actions again and again and again forever. All right. So let's see whether it is working or not. Okay. I'm clicking on the green flag. See? Yeah, it's working. It moved, right? But see, it is moving out of the screen, right? That's not the thing that I need, right? The dog has been gone out of the screen. I just need to stop that one. Hey, dog, come back here. All right. See, what I want to do is that I want the dog to move. Okay. When it is hitting on the edge over here, it want to come back. Come back means it want to bounce back. Okay. For that, I am going to the motion block again. So, yeah, at the last, you have this block. If on edge bounce, this block means when it is hitting on the edges, it will bounce back in the opposite direction. Okay. stage have four edges, right? One edge is here. If it is hitting on here, it will bounce back in this direction. If the dog hits here, it will bounce back in this direction, the opposite direction. So if it is hitting in this edge, it will go in this direction. Okay. If you put if on edge bounce, it will bounce in that opposite direction. Let's see whether it is working or not. I'm dragging and dropping the block over here, and I'm clicking on the green flag. Hey, our dog moved, right? But it is going upside down, guys. The dog can't move upside down, right? Yeah. So I'm just stopping that one. So I need to fix this, right? The dog can't move upside down. So to fix that, I'm using this block. Set rotation style left and right. Okay. So what this block will do, this block will make the rotate the dog only in the left and right direction. Okay. Let's see whether it is working properly or not. Yeah, it is working properly, right? All right. But the dog is not moving like a real dog. It is just moving like a robot, isn't it? So I need to stop this. And what I am going to do is that, so I have going to the costumes. You can see different costumes like this. So if I switch the costume 1, 2, 3 like this, you can see the dog is switching the costume just like a real dog, right? So I'm going to put these next costume over here. This block will switch the costume to the next. 1, 2, 3, costume 1, costume 2, costume 3. Just like that, it will switch the costume. All right. So let's see whether it is moving. Yeah, it is working correctly, but it is going so fast, right? So I want to make it slow down. So to make it slow down, I'm creating a pose there. So I'm creating a pose by using a weight block. I'm creating a very small pose, a half of a second, okay, 0.5 second. Let's see whether it is working or not. Yeah, now your dog is moving perfectly, right? If you want to see the see your project in full screen mode, what you have to do is that you have to click on here, okay? So when I click on there, you can see your project in full screen mode, just like this. Yeah, now our dog is moving perfectly, right? All right, so today I teach you how to make any sprite to walk. In the coming classes, I will teach you how to build, how to make the sprite to fly, jump, okay, everything. And I will also teach you to make advanced games, etc. Okay. All right, guys. So see you in the next class. Bye bye for today.